morning, everybody. How are you today? Welcome. Thank you for coming to the Swirl Coffee Chat 6 Cups of Joe. My name is Ashley, and I am the MSW student representative for Swirl on the board. And today we're going to talk to you about some very important topics in regards to your membership for student members and premier benefits from being a premier member. So we all know that this is a really difficult time with the current climate of the world and what's going on, especially in schools and for school social workers and families and the children that we work with. So I just wanted to open up with a quote that is inspiring to me and that I hope it feels inspiring for you as well. Here is a quote from actually Helen Keller. So Helen Keller says, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." And I thought this quote is super relevant to the current climate of the world because even though we might feel alone, we still are together in a sense through this workshop, through this webinar, through different community building exercises, and just there are many ways to stay together and connected through technology and through just maintaining communication in different mediums. So there definitely is a way to ensure that we all feel bridged together instead of apart. It's just a physical more than a social distance is a way I like to put it, and that's a great thing for us to remember as school social workers or aspiring school social workers. So as I said, today we're going to talk about some student benefits and premier benefits. We're going to start with the resource page right here. So you see where my cursor is, it says resources. I'm going to click here when it loads. And I'm going to go down, down, down. So we have some, oops, uh-oh, what just happened? Uh-oh. There we go. Not sure. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. Going down to promoting school social work, and here are some resources that we have. I'm not sure what keeps happening. Professional resources, students in social work. So that's for us as students. We can click to look at some student resources. We have just some information about being school social workers and for earning certain certificates and qualifications as a school social worker through your program and on a state-by-state level. And I'm going to go back to this student page. Also really important are some job openings, which I know a lot of us who are graduating maybe are looking into. So we have job openings through Twitter and different ways to find jobs because SWA really wants all students, members, and students to be new professionals to have access to this all. So that's really important. And again, here are just some other tabs for students to keep in mind. And I'm going to go back to our homepage here. Just wanted to also point out, you will see a banner that comes up kind of right here where it says COVID-19 resources that our School Social Work Association of America conference for June is now going to be remote and virtual, which is really sad for us, but we do ensure the quality of health and safety for our members, and that's really what we prioritize. So there will be an in-person conference in March. That's the next one on the East Coast, but for now we will have an online great conference with awesome speakers and panelists lined up for June. So just so you know, that just came out as public knowledge. So now I have a couple tabs open here, and I'm going to log in to my SWA account. You are all members to be here. So my computer already knows me. So I clicked off Remember Me, and I'm going to sign in, and it's loading. And here we are. So you can see, oh yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not sure. My computer seems very sensitive. Every time I click, it goes away. I apologize. I don't usually work in a full mode like this. You can see the different upcoming events. So today is our event, and this Thursday we have another 6 Cups of Joe until May 21st. And over here where my cursor is, on the side, we have a delegate assembly on July 15th and a regional one-day conference on the 16th of July. So you can register here. It's kind of like really an organized way to keep up with events. So that's that. Now, what I want to show you are some resources here. So you can also access resources as a member. Here are some just different templates and different old resources that are continuing to be updated here. And I'm going to take you to something called Shelf now. So Shelf is a part of SWA as well, which you're guaranteed to as a member, and you just need to sign up, which I'm signed up, and then let me just put in my password for Shelf. And here we go, we logged in. It's loading. I guess the internet's a little bit slow with everything being online. There we go. Here we are on Shelf. And on Shelf, we have some Premier member benefits. And so you can look at some of the benefits here. Just we have different resources that people upload. So some are for COVID-19, which is really relevant, and for just different guides or activities to use in the school setting. You can also have a favorites tab in Shelf. So I don't have any favorites, but I could. So I can just make things my favorites. So they're an easy 1, 2, 3 click. And also, again, I'll go back to our member information center here, and I'll go back to swa.org. So I'll go to swa.org/resources. I just wanted to make sure that you're all aware, especially during the current climate, of the COVID-19 resources. So I wanted to point that out right here. So I'm gonna click view more. So again, just so you know, to wrap things up, there are many, many resources for you as a student and as a Premier member, and you are entitled to many benefits. So here are many SWA resources with relation to COVID-19, but also can be used beyond COVID-19. And just a message from Rebecca, who's our wonderful executive director, kind of tying things together. So again, you can always renew your membership as well. And here is a PowerPoint you can watch. You can always view and watch things at a later point with SWA. So that's the great news about being a member of SWA. And that is really it. That's really it. And we just hope you're all staying healthy and safe during this time. And we thank you for attending today's event. Sorry for the technology kind of going in and out. I guess everyone's on their computer. Yes.
I have a quick question for you. Perhaps you could go back to your page in the Member Info Center.
Yes.
And if you can just scroll down and show folks that button, you had your tab for Shelf already open, but in case people don't know how to access that tab on the left in the blue menu, the one that says SSW Resource Library,
right,
that would be where people click, and that will take you to that Shelf page that Ashley already had pulled up.
Right, which is
yep. And that resource, the School Social Work Resource Library, we also call it Swirl, is accessible only to Premier members. Currently, we have been giving full members brief access so that they can see that wonderful resource and that member benefit. But in future months, that Swirl library will be a member benefit that comes with Premier membership. And of course, our students and our retired members do gain Premier access with their membership.
Yes, right, that's true, because as far as I understand, Shelf, we also call it the resource library. So it really is a library, like you said, and it is a nice, easy one-click access, because people and members like you are able to share and exchange resources as well, correct, Rebecca? So it's kind of like a nice way to connect through just resources, and then a way to communicate through the resources with other school social workers. Is that right, Rebecca?
Absolutely. So if a school social worker maybe they have a tool that they've created on their own, and those can be submitted, and we have a committee that reviews the tools and kind of vets them on some level, and then we do share them up in this center. So you can see that SEL mapping tool that was created by a school social worker. not maybe obtained from some other site. So there certainly are individuals can submit tools that they have created or have found helpful, and our committee can review them and include them in the Swirl resource library.
Right, and it saves you a lot of time if you are looking for something and maybe you don't have the time to recreate or just make your own kind of worksheet or certain kind of formatted resource. You can kind of just take this or even update it to your needs and to your school's needs, which is kind of a great thing just to have it on the tips of your fingers in that way. Yeah, I found it really helpful, and I hope this was helpful for you. Is there anything else that I missed, Rebecca?
No, the only other thing, if you want to click back on the SWA homepage.
Yes. Here's my SWA homepage. I'm gonna go home. There. Now I'm home. I
Yep.
have a.
And I know the slider at the top wasn't rotating like you wanted it to. If you'll click that arrow on the right-hand side, whoops,
Yes.
yep, it'll go to the next slide, which there is that save the date you were looking for.
Great.
For the virtual conference.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, and my computer's so sensitive. Yes, here's the save the date. So you can be here virtually, and I know you don't have to participate in every workshop. Of course, you're encouraged to do as much as you can, but it's very flexible, right, Rebecca, for the participants.
Right, yep, we will have more information up on that very soon. But though we do have those dates there so people can begin to plan. So thanks, Ashley, for taking us through those resources.
Thank you so much, and thank you all for bearing with the slower internet, and wishing you all much health and safety, and have a great day. Thank you for logging on. Take care.